Working with comments. As we have discussed data validation earlier, we can input message that lets us to give a flag to the user so that they could recognize what to input. Here, I would go to the data validation, input message, please enter, and then whatever I would like to put in, some periods, just to show that the sentence would go on. I will click on OK. So when you are not on the cell, you won't see the flag. And when you are on the flag, you could see a flag that gives you some kind of help. Another way for this is to use a comment. The minor difference in the comment is that it shows an actual red triangle in the corner, which works as the same type of purpose. For example, here I would like to keep my cursor on comment for a while, and you will notice that I have a flag that states notes, information, and other data for the user. You can differentiate it in two ways. Firstly, it's a little different type of a box that shows an arrow pointing to the cell. And secondly, we can see a red triangle in the corner. You can find Comment tab under the Review menu. You can select it from Add a new comment. You can use the tab Show all comments to see all the comments on the screen. You can also close them all by just toggle them off. When I've put in a comment, if I want to edit it, I go to the field and I click with a right click. Here, I'll simply edit the comment. I can now type in whatever I'd like to on the message. Now type in a message. This message then appears. Here I can also adjust the size of the box by just going to edit mode. I could make this arrow narrower or wider if I like. I can also control my text and can do some formatting too. I can highlight it and change the font styles. And users can add comments in at any given time. So again, if I want to edit something in it, I can right-click and select Edit and edit the information anytime. So this could be a dialogue about a specific cell, and it's very useful when you want to find a piece of information is coming from. So there is validation rule not so easy for the user to change, and comments that will flag a message are the two different characteristics that are great to enhance your worksheet.